Hey there, discover the Pinkart Portable Electric Toothbrush with Water Flosser Combo, designed for adults who value oral health. This all-in-one device features a dual spray head that removes teeth stains and clays around braces and gumlines effectively. Choose from 4 cleaning modes including clean, brightening, sensitive, and gum care for a personalized brushing experience. The combo offers adaptive pressure control and gentle vibrations, perfect for sensitive teeth and gums. Ultra-portable and lightweight, it supports 30 days of cordless use and charges quickly via USB-C. With IPX7 waterproof rating, a 180 ml water reservoir, and 6 replaceable brush heads, hygiene is guaranteed. Smart features like quadrant reminders and memory function make your oral care routine simple and effective every day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.